Mbunge ya Meru ni kurukitie mendekithia ja mbajeti ya mwaka jojo na rietu appropriations bill na aria bagitite milioni 516 kuma obicini ya ngabana na gwikia kiri maendeleo MC baba ibongerete kigina kia ward kuma milioni 33 mwanka milioni 45 aria kinya nkuruki bethiritwe bakiendekithia arimu ba ICD na kinya mandagitari.
Na aru mbunge ya Meru rajairi ni umbete kuthoma mendekithia jaje kithaje ki budgeti itigere kuthoma ringire jatu nikena mendekithia jaje kuruka
kuma ki first reading teka kende ku changes to make it kiri allocations yetu nontu kwembesa ira twa recommended ki county government kana executive yombe kuthwa kiandika ICD teachers ni twa recommended daktari bombe kuthwa bakiona promotions na nisiru wale tukwera sekolo ile tuona kethroa tuomba kwedio fix kenda gutwika antobetu bakuma kitanfo
ko ambuge batwe tore assembly Meru itukugaibwega iki budget committee na itukumyunga mikono na bill tu amekurukia na to anji governor ikenda noe egitara ya kinya omba kumbisain omba kwa bill omba gutumika kenda omba kwa budget na antu Meru bomba witura nengugi
amna bubu kulingana na MC baba baugite na lebakethwa bakiathura mbeca ona murandi nikenda gutigira wandi imwe iretiro na weti na mbere kuona kagita gaka.
GIA is one of the one that has been discriminated. I don't know why by the current regime. The first year, that is the year 2022-2023, in fact, GIA didn't get anything. The year 2023-2024, still a lot of discrimination still happening. And we sat down as members of this Honorable Assembly. And these are some of the issues that we intended to address by coming up with a program-based budget.
Yara yonde tubera groundine manto barabara sibitari ndawa na kila kitu yonde tukomba kuthiria na tukathithia na twabatethia ibethiro baina iman batu tutina makosa no yari ku ni budget yitesereri kuma executive but whatever tweta kuthithia thai twete kuthithia genda ora tukomba tethia antu betu kenda bomba kinya bongwa kuwirirwa utongeria bura bombere kwithiro bakithithia itaria baringa.
And the way I've called it now, I've seen that every project has been given the money. There will be no time to divert this money to the cows or to the goats or to the ants. Mr. Speaker, sir, as it is indicated by the budget committee.
And from now henceforth, anyone who does not heed to the resolution of this House, Mr. Speaker, despite of the position, we should take chance. We should take our responsibility. Otherwise, we will be dancing the same tune with the quacks from the executive. Who doesn't know what they are supposed to do? Who doesn't know to follow the law? We don't belong to that kanda. And Mr. Speaker, it is very unfortunate.
Nalonde mbunge ya Meru kuthwete kurukitiro waliruru na ngavana kuruikira saini na milioni 500 Meru jaja keretwe je ke thirikari nene na no mwangalo waliruru kurukerika na bona mbeca iji.
I want the members to note that last week the Treasury disbursed monies to counties, and the Meru County government has close to 800 million, which is at the CRF account, but we cannot access that money, cannot be accessed because of the appropriation bill. And I'm very sure that once we are through the appropriation bill and the governor signs, then the people will be able to access the money that is the CRF account.
To process ucho the chedrite idio tukianda kudhiria momero budget ire dirite efeva momero toka request from my executive birabi onda tumba kodha tukienda but ibedirite vai to fail so tukwanda kwera Meru kinyatha budget ne dirite charity 40 tietu na tuhakikisha kwamba budget ire twakurukia either uka na uke imbajitire kwa ile mathina ya mwananchi yonde
na nani kulingana na MC baba muruto jokira kandarati bonde baraba itengo inde county Meru baketha bakenda marito jao kamboni na chiti tengo geiji na ni mbeche ngai kurewa na kinyane murandi joko kurewa nonde bari kwena mbeche nyingi thirikari ya county Meru ikwenda kurea inde tiko ibaba kwenda kurewa
wa batu na meri thatu tugitakia marietwa ya antu bara kaunti twina marando yayo tugita kina baritete ngui na imbechi ya bati kurewa na ire baritete ngui nonto executive iba tuikirite baitwira ito approve mbecha milioni mana ya ile ya 59 cia kurea marando ya antu ba Meru lakini natu to abaira mbere to approve mbecha cia kurea marando iba twira no wakuriwa ina aritete ngui na aritete ngui mbechi yana na ire aritete rando more mwanka ito 259 mwankeru ari inyetha ito consider budget ibaregete na ibaithete kutunenkera list yu ya antu bara bakwenda bari 259 million na batu kuringana na turi assembly turona yako tibo bara batikuriwa
tete kiria kwithira kwina antu bakuria kana bakuriwa 10% kana tithe ne kenda baumba kuriwa marandu yo turiwa u kire pending bills ilazima chionde iretwe kire county assembly ona marietwa na amount na ngwira baritete ni kenda tumenya baraba kethira bakiri wa pending bills ibao kenda tukethira twena supplementary budget tubwithie budget ingi ya kuba consider kiri mari na bari wa so wona rieto ria kureretwo kiri assembly kiri antu baraba bwithi kwithira bakiri wa marando yo kana miradi re bwithitwe kiri county na bado itariwa iyo menye tukethira twitenga mbecha cia kurea mbecha yu bila mapendeleo yoyote na bila Kiswahili ile imekuwa ikitendeka hapo awali.
Muthuri Muriuki, Uru TV, Mutiro Kangangi.